The electric-powered stair climber is equipped with a solid platform that is more stable than a normal automatic hand truck. It is ideal for carrying furniture, household appliances, and large heavy items safely up and down the stairs. Our motorized dolly allows for maximum safety when ascending or descending the stairs using an electronically controlled motor. Constructed with a strong metal frame that's built to last, the mobile stair lift dolly provides long-lasting durability.